What's up, DTEAM? I'm going to show you right now how to track our materials makeup pickups. We're almost done. I could see the finish line, and we are going to crush the makeups for this. So here's how it works. If you look at this sheet here, Franz had some parent help to create this super useful sheet. All of these kids, where it says yes in this column, and they're not color coded at all, have already picked up all of their things. So scrolling through, all of these kids we do not need to worry about. Then we will get to, in sixth grade, some students that are in this red section. You could tell that even today we had 6 students or so come to pick up materials. So we are ahead of the game and we're looking good. When those students, so when Julia Cortina picked up a material, I went in and changed this to yes. Initially it was blank. I changed it to yes, and then I changed the color of this row to white by clicking reset. So for instance, if Elizabeth came in to pick up her materials right now, I would grab the book that she needs, which is the giver, and I would grab her science kit. I would have the parent fill out the form that we are all familiar using already, and that is right by the Middle School Commons front desk. I would click yes, and I would change the color of this row to not be red anymore. Okay, we're not going to do that now because they have not picked up the materials. So 6th grade is on here. 7th grade we are skipping. Franz is handling 7th grade. And then 8th grade down at the bottom is right here. Okay, 8th grade, you could see that we've had 4 people come and start to chip away at this block of red. It would be the same thing for 8th grade. They are receiving To Kill a Mockingbird, and they're also receiving a science kit. If Essie came to pick up his materials, I would click yes, and I would then make this row transparent, no longer red. Okay, so that's it for middle school. It's really important that we track this as families come. They're going to be coming to the Cedar Street entrance. DTEAM presence, part of that is sitting at the Middle School Commons desk, or at least in the area, and we will be in charge of distributing the materials. They are lined up by grade level on the far window, the far wall of the Middle School Commons. For 9th through 12th grade, very similar, except all of the grades are placed together down here at the bottom. So wherever there is red, these are kids that need to come pick up their materials. So here is 9 through 12. You could see we already have started to chip away today and over the last week or so with students coming in to grab their materials. It'll be the same process here. If you have any questions while you are doing this, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. My goal is to be on campus all 5 days this week to provide support. And when you come, I'll show you where all the materials are. Thanks, y'all.